What's going on everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now the guys over at Tac were kind enough to send us 3 cases and 2 MagSafe ring adapters as well, because these don't have MagSafe on them, but they do have ring adapters you can add, and they're £8 each according to the sheet. The cases are all £25 each. You're going to find links in the description down below with my discount code, so PR10, get you some discount on their website on the Tac Cases. So make sure you head down, check all the links in the description, head over, check the website. But first of all, let's get into the video first. So 3 cases, 2 MagSafe ring adapters. I am not going to attempt to fit the MagSafe ring adapters, and that is because I don't trust myself doing it. I will mess it up. 3 cases, and as you can see, it actually spells out Tac if you buy 2, because the way the case is designed, it says T, A and then C on the back. The boxes, really nice. Tac, thin cases and everyday tech accessories, designed in Arizona, USA. The website is buyattack.com and you can follow them at buyattack. So, little flap right there, opens it out, and there we go, think thin. Popping that out, there's the first case, and there is one of the ring adapters. This one's in white because of the clear case, and obviously I'll show you the other one in a second, but there's a little QR code if you want to click on that and watch something. So let's open up the second one. Let's flick it open like so, and then there is the other one, but no MagSafe ring adapter with this one. That is a nice plain case. This one's obviously got the camera cutouts on it. And let's go for the next one. And there we go, so a nice black one with the ring adapters for the camera, and there is the black MagSafe ring adapter. So now you've got both, you've got black and a white one, depending on what colour case you've gone for. So they will send these out, but these are £8 each if you want the MagSafe ring adapters, but obviously it will come in handy, especially when using MagSafe a lot like I do. But there we go, think thin cases, and believe me, these are thin cases. So let's go ahead, let's bring in my titanium blue iPhone. You can see where the ring adapter's been because of a case that's been on the phone. But no buttons on here at all. All your buttons are going to sit through this gap right here, so on your main device. So you're going to see the blue popping through. Cutouts on the bottom for your charge port, and then just little tiny holes for your mic and your speaker. Nothing else on the case, so let's just go ahead, bring in the phone, and let's plop it in. So there we go. So the cameras are nice and recessed into that housing, so you've got no issues with the cameras. The front, because I've got a screen protector on here, it sits flush. So I'm not going to place it face down because it won't work, but it will work if you don't have a screen protector. But you can go ahead and place it camera side down and not have to worry. But there is the nice thin Tac case. Let me know what you think of that. Obviously, as you can see your buttons on the side right here. They sit through. Nice and easy to push. No issue pushing the buttons at all. But obviously they will sit through. So if anything was to hit them, it would cause a bit of damage to like the sheen on the button. Case is fully covered. No holes on the top or the bottom apart from that charge port. As I say, the cameras are nice and protected inside that housing, and it is a really thin case. I mean, that's super thin. You can just make out the Apple logo on the back too. Obviously you can go ahead and put your MagSafe ring adapter onto this one because it's a nice clear case, and obviously it'll just show the white ring on the back. So this one has actually got button covers on it, so you can see the action button, the volume and your power button, but everything else is the same apart from the camera housing. Same thing, but the cameras are still nice and recessed. It's in, the phone is definitely in this case. But as you can see, the cameras are still nice and recessed in there, so you can place this down just like so, but you can't place it down screen side if you have a screen protector on, because you can feel they're just sitting over that lip right there. Nice buttons, you know, nice and protected this time, unlike obviously this one where it's completely see-through, so you'd be able to just touching your own buttons. But yeah, there's the difference. I mean, the camera cutouts versus an actual just big cutout. So which one would you go for from these 2 clear cases? Would it be the ones with the camera cutout or the ones without? Obviously you can fit the MagSafe ring adapter to this one too. There's the 2 clear ones, and let's move on and do the black one now and see what that one looks like. This one should be nice. Okay, so there's the 2 clear. So now the black one is the same as this one because of the camera cutouts, but it's got all the buttons actually on the case itself. So same thing as this one, cameras are recessed in there, so you can go ahead and place it down like so. But again, you know, you just, if you got a screen protector, it does sit flush, or it hangs over ever so slightly if you got a protector. So let me know what you think of that one. Is the black something that maybe you go for instead? But it is a nice thin case. I mean, if it's a thin case you're after, obviously, you know, you pick up your MagSafe ring adapter, slap it on the back, and you wouldn't really know it was there. And obviously then you've got MagSafe. But I don't know, we'll test out MagSafe on this one right here. I'll bring in the Nomad base stand like so. So we'll bring that in and we'll test out MagSafe and see what it does. So let's go ahead. Yeah, I mean, it's on there, but it's having, I mean, it is charging, but it's having, it won't pick up the base stand fully. As I said to you, the base stand is a heavy base, but will still magnetically charge, so you don't have to worry about it really. Magnets are still connected to this. So let me know which one you would go for in the comments. Is one of the clear ones what you go for, or the black one? Let me know, and then you got your MagSafe ring adapters that you can throw onto the cases. So let me know which one you go for in the comment section down below. There'll be links down there to where you can pick these up for yourself on the Buy a Tac website. Using my code PR10, some money off, and obviously it's just a little kickback to the channel, which I greatly appreciate if you do end up buying one. Let me know whether the thinner case is something that you would go for. I mean, that's a really nice thin case. It's going to protect your phone from scratches if that's what you're looking for. If you're just looking for a nice thin case, this is what you want to be picking up. If you want just a nice slim case, doesn't add no bulk at all, adds no weight. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Which one would you go for? Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you all soon.